Hello, my name is Aretha Brooks and welcome to my channel here at Essentials to a Journey. If it's your first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. But before we get into today's video, what I'd like to do is just kind of share who I am if you don't already know me. So I am a mindset and self-care coach, and I am a certified mindset and self-care coach, and I go over all things mindset growth and self-care practices that you can do on a daily, weekly, or monthly, yearly basis. So let's get into today's video. Today's video, we are going to discuss motivation and your brain. And we are going to uncover ways that you can use your brain to develop motivation. Because who doesn't need more motivation? And who doesn't want to feel inspired 90% of the time? So the first way that you can begin to develop motivation by using your brain is through memories. Yes, and the way that you do this is basically thinking about what you want to do is think about those past experiences that have been positive or that were ideal to you. So you want to think about a past memory that made you feel really good, that helped you, that inspired you. And, thinking about this experience over and over will these memories that you have of succeeding, say for example, you had a volleyball match, right? And you won, or you had a baseball game and your team won, right? That was a memorable experience to you that lit you up, and it got you, it gets you going because it's a memory that you're fond of, and it's a memory where you succeeded. So to motivate yourself, what you can do is begin to use those positive experiences as reinforcement to help you to develop the motivation you need in order to carry out the tasks throughout your day or throughout your experience. The second way that we are going to discuss creating motivation for your brain is brain exercises. Yes, this is a great way to develop motivation. Let me explain. So brain exercises are basically doing those, let's say you have an app, right? You have apps on your phone, and there are those games that you know, that you love, that you constantly win. For me, I love solitary. I love to go back and play a game of solitaire over and over. Or say there are word puzzles that you love, but you exceed so well in these. Well, doing those brain exercises, it's like getting a hit of dopamine, of something that excites you. You're going to win, that you are really good at this, and using this brain exercises, these techniques will help you to feel uplifted, will help you to feel successful, will help you to feel like you are a champ, like you're doing really well. So this is a great way to begin to develop the motivation that you need to carry you throughout your day by getting that hit of dopamine. So the third way that you can begin to develop motivation for your brain is through your thoughts. This is an easy one. So what you're doing with your thought process is you just want to think about what it is that you want. You want to think about that outcome. You want to think about succeeding and already having that outcome that you desire. This will help motivate you to take that inspired action. So say you're in a funk, right? And you're just like, I'm so tired, like I don't have the energy to do this, I don't have the motivation to do this. Well, what you can do is from that place of where you are, you don't really need to do anything. From that place, you can basically begin to either tell yourself, or you can think those thoughts of and just visualizing what it would be like if you got up and you did something, and you cleaned your apartment, or you made that cup of tea, or whatever it is that you feel like you want to do. So just thinking in the direction of that, allowing your thoughts to be placed in that direction will definitely help you to be able to build on the motivation and build on the success that you need, helping you to take the necessary steps. This will build up your motivation, and inspire you to be able to want to take that inspired action towards, whatever it is that you want. So motivation in your brain. Let's recap the 3 ways that you can begin to develop motivation for your brain is number 1, through memories, number 2, brain exercises, and 3, through your thought process. You know, I know that these ways are going to be tremendously helpful to you. If you need to save this video to refer back to it at a later time, please feel free to do so that you're able to remember, you know, if you're in a funk and you're in a stuck sort of place, you're just not feeling like you have the energy to do it, this will help you no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, to be able to step into your memories, step into those brain exercises that give you dopamine, and to think of those thoughts that will help you feel motivated and inspired to take action. So I hope this video has been tremendously helpful to you. I know it has been, and it will be. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to really take a moment for yourself to think about your thoughts, to think about your mental process and your mindset, your growth, you know, growing mentally. I know that sometimes we can just be so stagnant and we think that where we are is just, you know, we're totally okay. And sometimes that's fine to just be in a place of, this is good for now, I'm good. But if you are really feeling like you want to develop yourself, you want to grow, you want to expand, you know, developing these essential mindset habits such as motivation in your brain, and any of the other video content that I have that is linked to my playlist, one of my playlists, when it comes to your mental self-care, your growth, and your mindset. So checking out any of those videos to help you with your growth mindset, I'm sure is going to be super helpful to you. Again, thank you for being here with me. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Peace, light, and so much love.